Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss how to fix unable to remove payment method in iPhone in iOS devices. Many Apple users are facing this issue. First of all, open setting app. Now open Apple ID, tap on it, and guys, now tap on media and purchases. Now tap on view account. Wait a few seconds. Guys, you can see here. Now scroll down and tap on subscription. And if you have any pending subscription, check the first. If you have any, remove it. You can see no any subscription. And guys, now tap on country and region. Wait a few seconds. Now tap on it. Now scroll down and please change a country. And I am changing a country. You can see appear on the screen. I am selecting a United States. Wait a few seconds. Now guys, tap on agree or the top right corner. Now tap on again agree and wait a few seconds. After a few seconds, you can see tap on none. If you don't want to add any payment method, now tap on guys randomly information street number and city only just for formality. Tap on state you select if you want. I am selecting California. Now tap on zip code. Guys, you should to now zip code of the state. If you have to select, I am entering the 90201. Now I am entered the number phone number. Tap on next icon. Wait a few seconds. After seconds, country and region has been changed. Now tap on done. I hope your problem has been solved. After watching my video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.